Alright guys, I'm up here by the Robinson Mall. Up on MacArthur, it's pretty loud right now. But we're going to take a stroll up over this bridge. I'm going to show you where Mount Pinatubo, where the lava flow came down through. And show you, well, I'm going to show you around this area up here. Where I'm at right now, Robinson Mall is directly behind me. And we're going to head this way, up over the bridge. Take a stroll up over this bridge here and I'll show you, like I said, where Mount Pinatubo lava flow came from. Just look at all the exhaust fumes blowing out of these vehicles. Amazing. Choke you out. This road down here is new. They actually built it, goes up under the bridge and allows you to access MacArthur here from the other side. Before, the traffic used to back all up there with people trying to make a left-hand turn. Little nightclub down there, Jazz Nightclub. Tennis court over here. Anybody lives, I'm sure somebody probably lives down there. I see some ducks down in there. Yeah, this is path where Pinatubo lava flow came through. What I was told was, you see the creek that runs there, the little river that runs through there. It wasn't much wider than that, and after Pinatubo, well, it got widened. They're doing down there. It's like they're digging a hole or something, but you got people down here, kids down here, and that over in that area. That's what they call squatters area. People actually live in those homes there, but it's sad, but that's all they can afford. Take a little walk that way, get a little closer. Yeah, people do live in these homes right here, believe it or not. And down all on that embankment there, you see them too. On both sides, these squatter homes. say it's sad, but it's all they have. Alright, now I gotta cross this road here. Should be challenging. Not that bad. Alright, let's take a stroll up the other way now. Show you this side of the bridge what's going on. Looks like they make doors right there. Morning. More squatters. There's the other side of the bridge where the lava flow came through. And out in the distance there is Mount Araya. Closer look here. I really don't like seeing things like this, but you know what? It is part of living here. it is a very, you know, there are people that are very poor, people that don't really have a lot, but, you know, like I said, it's just part of living here. You see it, and your heart goes out to them. Alright guys, so there's a bridge we just went up and over. Like I said, to the right hand side is the Robinson Mall. Up and over that bridge. If you go straight, it takes you directly into downtown Angeles. If you bear to the left out of the circle, that'll take you down MacArthur into San Fernando. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed that little walk. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Like, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, and I guess until our next walk.